Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, this is a new mod that I just found here. So yeah, let's see here. This is the new collections of mod. So how to make them is soul sand plus wool, and that is pretty much how you make the clay. So the wool soldiers, whatever you want to call them. So here it is, and here's a bunch of other stuff. Let's place them now. Let's go on. Yeah, then place one. It'll be shift, but you can place multiple. So yeah, this is the clay soldiers, and there is tons of other stuff here. So yeah, this should be pretty interesting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so firstly, there is a stick. Just give the clay soldiers a stick, and there's cobblestone, which is a range attack. You give stone as well, it's the same thing. Bows, I use a shield. Here, the shield and sharpen weapons. I'm pretty sure it sharpens your weapons, give them more attack power, give them more damage. So let's see what we have next. So after placing this sugar, mushroom, I want to show you guys there's a lot of things that you can do it yourself, which I'll make another video, a tutorial on how to do it. So let's chat animations right there, and boom, there's it's actually really huge. You can see there. So I shouldn't place more. So here is, so it's sugar, give them some sugar, which makes them faster. That's what I heard. Actually, I have no idea how these guys got out, but whatever. Sugar. You see here, they're really fast. So let's give them. Let's see. Well, see, I think I actually got the wrong thing. Is blaze powder, not blaze rod. So here is blaze powder, guys. So it's my mistake. Blaze powder. So make them a flame unit, so like a flamethrower, and gunpowder is musketeer. So yeah, it's like guns, and flint and steel one gives archers a flame arrow instead of a regular arrow. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And next is, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I want to there's actually a ton of other things that I want to show you. There's the banners, which will make all the clay soldiers around you follow you. So there's that banner. So, and there's actually tons of other stuff that I want to show you, but this video will be way too long, so I suggest you guys like do it yourself, like download a mod. See, you can clearly see there's tons of cool stuff here that I probably can't show you all in one video, but as you can see here, yeah, there's tons of stuff. So place it down for you guys, and let's see what has placed down a green soldiers. See, again, right. So it's not multiple cool battles. You guys get that a battle right here. So and place that back. Also a king, which can have a king right there. Pretty cool. And so yeah, that's the king. And there's also a mace, trident, like it's a pitchfork honestly, but it's whatever. Alright, so yeah, let's play some more fun. And yeah, that's the introduction for the infantry, specifically closures. It's actually also like mountain stuff. So yeah, let's put the rest down here. Yeah. Alright, so if you want to like get rid of the clay soldiers, here it is, a disruptor, which is how you make it. So boom, there you go. And that's how you get rid of all of the clay soldiers and stuff. So next up is the horses, which is there's actually 3 types. So one is 4 dirt and a soul sand, one is cobblestone, and one is iron. So as you see here, dirt, cobblestone, and iron. So yeah, let me place these down here. Place these down. Cobblestone, iron. Let's see how it looks when you have some clay soldiers on them. So let's go here and let's do pink, yellow, and one more green. Yeah, let's do. There we go. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the horses. So right, so now we are at here the stone elephant, which is the, I think it's the strongest one, I think. So yeah, this is how you make them. Stone elephant right here. So yeah, this is the tankiest, I think, out of all the mounts here, and you can actually fit 5 clay soldiers. Look at that, that's so cool, man. So yeah, that's the elephant, and next up is the camels, actually, just pretty cool to see the sand camels. So that's how you make it, just 2 sand and soul sand. So let's get a yellow. So there you go, yellows, and place a bunch down. So yeah, you're gonna go here, clay soldiers. So that's the camels, and now we're on to the last and final one, just the hogs, the clay hog. Yeah, so this is how you make them. Pretty sure this is the weakest one too. You have the same health as the regular woman, and so the 2 clays, soul sand, simple as that. These tiny hogs, they actually have horns in them, which I think is pretty cool. Alright, so now let's move on to the, I think this is the mortar, or we're at the artillery section now. So to make these, I'm pretty sure is, yeah, 4 clays, and then like gunpowder here, 4 clays, gunpowder. Yeah, so yeah, this is, place it down. yeah, here we go. This is the motor, and this is how the motor works. Alright guys, so next is the alright, so next up is it's the catapult, I think. Or yeah, pretty sure it's the catapult next. So let's see, let me double check. Yep, it's the ballistic catapult. So the ballistic catapult is 2 clay and string in the middle, and this is what it looks like. So there we go, and that's what it is when you place down. That's so cool guys, is the ballistic catapult. So next up we have actually, yeah, the catapult, the armcrest. So you can change the animal. I realized that while reading the description here, unlike the others. So yeah, let's see here. Nugget. Oops. Actually, I think I did it wrong. Hold up. Alright, so I actually supposed to be an iron ingot, so I actually did that wrong, but yeah. So this is the catapult here. I'll go catapult with a coal which turns into a rock. Trying to show you guys, but it's kind of glitchy. I don't know how it works, but yeah, that's is you should just like check it out yourself. Honestly, it's a little bit glitchy today. Alright, so now is the final thing, just the ballistic missile. I think it's the field cannon. Yeah, and also I also have a flaming rock. So I've got to show you guys this flaming rock. Boom, there we go. So cool guys. They wreck them. So yeah, that's that. So on to the next one. Is the last one actually is the field cannon. Alright, so now this is the field cannon. So let's see here. Alright, so this is how you make the field cannon guys. Clay and gunpowder. So this is it, the field cannon. And also place some right now. So to a grape shot, it's kind of like a shotgun, a round shot. So glue. Let's see how they do it. Let's see. Let's set in the yellows. So as you can see here guys, they're actually pretty precise with the aiming. The AI is actually really good into it, so just place down as much as possible. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be making a separate video on a tutorial on how to make it. So yeah, you will be seeing, will come out shortly. But so yeah, this is the wall mod, wall flashers mod. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So much. Okay, bye guys.